In this video, I'll show you how to install the best custom cursors for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Open up Chrome and search DeviantArt. Press enter. Select the first site. Search type cursor. You can able to see 15.7K results. Install methods are same guys, so you can choose what you like. I'm going with this Chepri Creations. Scroll down. You can get them at select the site and select this site and you will be in the official Jeopardy creation store. Just scroll down and these are the paid cursors. Scroll down. You can able to see free collection and select the cursors you like. I'm going with this Windows 11 cursor concept. Select the cursor you like in free section and select download for free option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, open the folder and you can able to see light theme and dark theme. Choose the one you like. I'm going with this light theme. Open the folder. Just right click on this install setup and select install option and select open. Select yes option. Now this will open up in the mouse properties. So in scheme, click on the drop down and you can able to see the cursor name Win11 cursor concept. Win11 cursor Jeopardy creations. You can able to see it. Just select the one and select the apply and yes option and select OK option. And as you can see, the cursors has been changed to the cursor we like to install. And that's how you can change to the custom cursor guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.